We're on video. Scott McCullough is a fucking dyke.
Brittany, shut the fuck up.
I'm telling you the video. We're making a video right now.
Brittany, I'm on the phone.
No, we're making a video right now.
Anyway, sorry.
All I am is fucking nice to that man. All I do is fucking be nice to him every single day. Oh no, Ashley, you get over here. You get your ass over here. Don't you want to tell the camera how you feel about Josh? Listen, all I do is fucking treat that man like he's a god in my eyes. And you know what he does? Treats me like a fucking piece of chicken. Treats me like chicken. Throws me in the dirt. Just throws me in the fucking saute machine, saws me up, and fucking eats me. That's what it is. That's all he fucking does. He's a fucking dyke. Dick, dyke, doesn't make a difference. He's a fucking one of those. Dyke because he likes girls. And he's a fucking weird ass motherfucking douchebag. Ashley, come tell the camera how you feel. Now, Ashley, she's got Ben, she's got Josh, she's got somebody that I can't name just in case this gets put on YouTube or something. Justin Bobby. She's got all those guys. And every single one of those guys treat her like fucking chicken. Chicken, that's what they treat us like. Fucking chicken. And we are tasty chicken, motherfuckers. Tasty fucking chicken. Ashley. Ashley fucking just left me. Ashley! I'm gonna fucking give your dog a fucking piece of chocolate chip cookie. Hold on. Come here, Ellie. Come here. I'll give you a piece of chicken if you come here. Come here, Ellie. Look, I'm gonna put you on camera. This is her dog, and this is me about to feed her dog a piece of fucking chocolate chip cookies. Goodbye.